If you're looking to improve your financial well-being, you should start with your mindset, not your bank account. Obviously, mindset shifts won't pay the bills. Changing your thinking can't eliminate your financial obstacles, but it will help you approach them with more clarity and self-compassion. By starting here, with our internal responses, we can work on quieting the noise and financial stress that's hurting our mental health most. This process starts by paying attention to what bubbles up when you think about money or how you're doing financially. Let's see if any of these unhelpful thinking patterns sound familiar.
Everyone I know is buying their first home, and I can barely make rent. Why can't I have that?
The Patels are always on vacation. We never go anywhere. I'm too broke to do anything.
Comparison. We've all been there, right? It's the first thinking trap to look out for. There are a lot of pitfalls to constantly comparing what you have or what you make to others. Thoughts like that leave us feeling inferior, inadequate, and dissatisfied with what we do have. And thoughts like these are often followed by another unhelpful thinking pattern. Let's take a look.
I'm making six figures now, and I should feel better, but I don't. Is there something wrong with me?
I shouldn't need my parents' help at this age. This is embarrassing.
There we go. Shoulding on ourselves again. Pay attention when your thoughts contain a lot of should or shouldn't statements. Often, they mean you're unfairly judging yourself for not meeting a set of standards or expectations that could be unrealistic. That internal pressure is heavy, and it keeps us from accepting where we are right now or appreciating how far we may have come. Okay, let's listen to thinking trap number 3.
I never dreamed I'd be making this much money, but I feel so selfish for stressing about my savings when I have family members who are actually struggling.
I'm going to be single forever. Who would ever want to be with someone who's so bad with money? What do I even have to offer someone?
Wow, that's a lot of shame to carry. Shame enters the picture when our thoughts shift from I did a bad thing or I'm in a bad situation to I'm a bad person. Over time, shame compounds and leaves us feeling sad, unworthy, and unmotivated to change, which goes hand in hand with our next thinking trap, labeling.
I'm a complete failure.
I can't believe I'm such a loser.
Negative self-talk using labels or name-calling always hurts more than it helps. When we make sweeping judgments about ourselves in this way, we aren't considering the broader context or complexity of our situation. This black and white thinking can make us start to believe that we are incapable of changing or growing, leaving us feeling hopeless or stuck.
I had to dip into my savings again this month. If we keep spending like this, we're gonna have to move.
Another flat tire? I'm never gonna be able to pay off my credit card if I have to keep fixing my car every time I drive it. I might as well just sell it and start walking to work.
That sounds like catastrophizing. Another tough one. When we're stressed about our finances, it can be easy to let our thoughts spiral, jumping to conclusions and imagining the worst possible outcome. But ruminating like this activates our nervous system, leaving our bodies worked up as if the bigger problem we're worried about is already imminent. Ultimately, unhelpful thinking patterns like these are never the key to feeling better or fixing our finances. It's important to believe you are capable and deserving of whatever financial goals you set for yourself. Negative chatter drains our mental health, but luckily, are much better and more productive ways to assess your financial situation. We'll discuss how to reframe these thoughts to feel more adaptable, flexible, and prepared when facing financial stress. Remember, you don't have to take a big vacation to take a break. Instead, prioritize rest and self-care in ways that are accessible for you and your financial reality, including your needs, expenses, and goals.